The following contest is an elimination tag team match. Approaching the ring from Brooklyn, New York, at a combined weight of 510 pounds, Shad Gaspard, JTG, Crime Time! And their opponents, at a combined weight of 495 pounds, the team of Ed and Randy Orton, rated Traditional Survivor Series rules apply. Once you're eliminated, you head back to the locker room. And the final man or team left standing will be declared the winner. This is going to be action personified in this one. Anything and everything will happen. Good grief!
And he plants him down with a thumb.
Showing some disrespect here.
Got him. That's good, man.
Oh, my! And he's the habit. Shovel. Ow! That was definitely hit hard. Oh! Shad, how was that? Oh, man! Really wearing the opponent down. There's another one. Oh! Here's the pin! Whoa! That one landed.
That elbow just loving it.
You got it covered.
Beautiful arm bar right there.
Oh, my! Oh, no! The referee's been knocked out. This can't be good. And that one staggered him.
That's going to leave a mark.
And he's getting out of there.
It looked like his head just bounced off that concrete. No, don't tell me. This is too much. These superstars will stop at nothing to win this match. Look at the strength. JTG's out level there.
Even with pitching, his eyes are water. That elbow did some damage. Oh! What's going to happen now?
And he goes running. If this was a hockey match, we'd say he hit the boards. He lights up his chest with that shot. This one's going to come down to sheer guts at this point. Chad comes up with the count. And can you believe that impact? He's taking his opponent to school here. He's put a submission hold. Could this be a tap out? Into the ropes. He's got an opportunity.
Edge has something twisted on his body. Reverse it. Reverse it.
What a fantastic extension on that leg. Oh, the lariat knocks their opponent down. Rich, there's the submission. It could be academic at this point. And there's the Irish whip. Look at the strength.
Good night. I didn't think Orton would ever stop.
Now that'll tenderize your hand. Wow, what an RKO. Chad put a lot of power behind that shot. There's a good shot. And the passion of these superstars, it runs through their bone marrow, wanting to perform in front of these fans. Beautiful suplex. Oh man, he's definitely in some big time pain. And that one popped. But in my opinion, is him that is his calculating mind. Is it conniving? Yes. Is it cruel? Absolutely. But without a doubt, it's also led to tremendous success. There's the whip. I believe Randy Orton has an evil soul. He certainly has iniquitous eyes.
And Edge smacks his opponent's face into the floor. Moving up the kick right here. 1, 2, 3.
And this member of Prime Time is done.
Watch it, watch it.
He calls it personal, and they're looking to go to work on the opponent. Edge is often called the ultimate opportunity. He'll take advantage of any opportunity he sees, and more frequently than not, capitalize on it. Look at the strength.
That's such an efficient effort.
And he's right with me. I believe Randy Orton truly has an evil soul. He certainly has iniquitous eyes.
That one's platinum.
And that was of the Slobberknocker. Irish whip. Look at the strength.
Oh, man. I didn't even take that.
Will you look at the evil eyes of Randy Orton? Plain and simple. This could be it. And he kicks out. And there's the belly-to-belly suplex. There's the Irish whip.
He's making a cover.
1, 2, 3. Orton wins. Here are your winners, Randy Orton and Edge, rated RKO. Wow, great match. Outstanding physical display by these amazing competitors.
Without a doubt, it was all